Oh, it's a super learning experience for the students. They learn, the safety part of it when they come into the class. They also do a lot of the hand tools. We work when we come over to start the project. They're nailing by hand for several weeks.
We're trying to shim up the door. We're trying to make it so that it's at least an 8 here, all the way down with our door. Hopefully we can get it. We'll get it. We'll get it.
I didn't really know anything about carpentry when I first entered this course, so everything was really brand new to me. It took time, but the instructors are great and I have good classmates and everyone helps each other.
My goal was to learn about carpentry, and I just really wanted to be able to build my own house. So that's why I took this course, to learn a bit about that kind of thing. And I mean, everyone's a homeowner at some point in their life, and to be able to know how to do everything yourself. I love doing it. I mean, I think it's really important to learn the practical skills as well. I mean, we do theory and whatnot too, but to actually go out on the job site and do it and learn all the little tips and tricks that they don't teach you in the textbook is really important too. And it's just really good experience for when you go to work.